Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a car that's more than just a revival, it's a statement. The nameplate has history, muscle, and legacy written all over it. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427, and yes, it's back, and it's bolder, faster, and more American than ever. Chevy didn't just bring the Impala back for nostalgia. They brought it back with purpose, attitude, and a massive engine that pays direct tribute to the golden era of muscle. Let's get into it. From the moment you lay eyes on the new Impala SS, you know this car means business. It's a full-size performance sedan that refuses to hide its muscle car DNA up front. The fascia is wide, low, and menacing, a blacked-out mesh grille dominates the nose, flanked by sharp LED matrix headlights with glowing DRLs that trace the outer edges like piercing eyebrows. A subtle but aggressive SS badge sits in the corner, a quiet reminder of what's lurking under the hood. The hood itself is long and sculpted, featuring functional heat extractors and a center bulge that hints at the raw power underneath. The side profile is elegant, but muscular. The proportions are classic rear-wheel drive long hood, short deck, wide stance. The roofline flows smoothly into the trunk, giving it a fastback vibe without compromising rear headroom. Strong shoulder lines, flared rear fenders, and deep lower side skirts give it presence, and 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in performance rubber complete the stance. Optional 21s bring even more visual drama. The blacked-out window trim and subtle SS badging on the fenders are nice nods to heritage without overdoing it. Around back, the rear end is clean and brutal. Quad exhaust tips sit flush with a gloss black rear diffuser, and an active rear spoiler rises at speed to increase downforce. The taillights are wide and crisp, with a red LED bar connecting them across the trunk. Subtle Impala lettering appears under the right lamp, and once again that iconic SS 427 badge sits proudly. No chrome, no flair, just muscle-era honesty in a modern wrapper. Slide inside, and it's all about controlled aggression with a premium touch. The cabin is wrapped in soft-touch materials, brushed metal, and optional carbon fiber or dark wood trim. The seats are deeply bolstered, finished in suede and leather with red contrast stitching and embossed S logos on the headrests. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats are available, making this not just a fast car but a comfortable one for long trips or daily driving. The tech is fully up to date. You get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 13.4-inch center touchscreen running Chevy's latest interface. It's fast, customizable, and includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-end Bose performance audio system with 16 speakers. You also get heads-up display, wireless charging, and ambient lighting that changes with your drive mode. Rear seat space is generous, with fold-down armrests and enough legroom to remind you this is still a full-size sedan, just one that happens to have a beast under the hood. Now let's talk about the heart of the SS 427. Under the hood is a hand-built, naturally aspirated 7.0-liter V8, yes, a true 427 cubic inch engine. It puts down 505 horsepower and 480 pounds-ft of torque to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual or a performance-tuned 10-speed automatic. The engine is a modern tribute to the legendary LS7, built with lightweight internals, dry sump, lubrication, and forged everything. This isn't just about speed, it's about connection. It revs with urgency, it growls with authenticity, and it delivers all the torque you want exactly when you want it. Chevy also offers an SS track pack which adds magnetic ride control, a limited slip differential, upgraded brakes with 6-piston, Brembos, and a retuned exhaust system that's downright savage in Sport Plus mode. The suspension is tuned for a balance of highway comfort and track capability, and the chassis based on a modified Alpha 2 platform is stiffer, lower, and better balanced than any Impala before it. 0 to 60, just over 4 seconds. Quarter mile, low 12s, top speed, 180 miles per hour, all in a car that can still carry 5 adults, and a full trunk of luggage. Safety and driver assistance tech is plentiful too. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, it's all standard. The Impala SS doesn't skimp on the essentials just because it's fast. In fact, it's surprisingly refined. Even in comfort mode, the cabin stays quiet, the ride stays composed, and the car never feels like it's trying too hard. It knows exactly what it is, a luxury muscle sedan for people who still love to drive. Pricing for the 2026 Impala SS 427 starts around $61,000 for the manual version, while the automatic with performance and tech packages pushes closer to $68,000. A fully loaded track pack edition with all the bells and whistles can approach $75,000, which is honestly impressive when you consider what you're getting: full-size space, true V8 power, and daily comfort all in one aggressive package. The return of the Impala SS 427 is more than just a nostalgia trip. It's a message to the world that muscle is alive, loud, and still has a place in the modern age. This car isn't here to be subtle. It's here to remind you that big American sedans can still bark, growl, and rip asphalt when they need to, and do it with style. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're as excited about the return of the Impala SS as I am, drop a comment below. Would you row your own gears with the manual, or go for the track-tuned automatic? Hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives like this, and I'll see you next time on the road, in the rear view, or roaring past at full throttle. Stay safe, stay loud, and keep driving what you love.